Hey everyone, it's Catherine from Server.pro, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 of the best decoration mods that'll help you enhance your Minecraft builds. Before we begin, if you'd like to download any of the mods featured in this video, all of the download links will be in the description down below. And if you don't know how to install mods, you can click the eye in the top right corner, which will lead you to a video tutorial on how to do so. Alright, let's begin! For the first mod, we have Bibliocraft. Bibliocraft adds in over 300 various new decorations to your Minecraft world. This mod adds in a bunch of new props to the game that help give your world a bit more life. You can now craft anything from furniture and silverware to lamps and much more. Bibliocraft is one of the all-time most popular decoration mods due to the huge variety of items it adds that gives you the ability to transform your builds into something much more unique and personalized. To use the items added by this mod in survival mode, you will need to craft a Bibliocraft bench. With the amount of items added with this mod, it definitely gives you a lot of options to choose from when decorating your builds. Many of the new items added are actually functional and have brand new textures. For the next mod, we have Mr. Crayfish's Furniture mod. This mod adds in over 80 unique pieces of furniture to the game. The items added can help you decorate your bedroom, kitchen, living room, and even your garden. Mr. Crayfish's Furniture mod has been known to be one of the best interior decorating mods for Minecraft. It adds in so many furniture options and designs that can help you decorate almost any kind of room and bring your gardens and farms to life. There's also a fully working mail system added with this mod. You can use this feature to send items and blocks to players around your server. For the third mod on the list, we have the Fairy Lights mod. This mod adds in customizable string lights that have many designs and options to choose from. Fairy lights can be used to decorate both the interior and exterior of your builds. With this mod, there's a new and fun way to light up areas of your builds as well as decorate them in your own way. With the many designs added, you can craft some festive lights such as Halloween-themed fairy lights and more. Fairy lights adds decorative hanging lights that can have any combination of 17 variants each with one of the 16 available colors. For example, if you want to craft fairy lights in the color red, you will have 17 different designs to choose from. You can customize the lights in many different ways, including the colors, the curve, and how you want to hang them. You can also craft a string of lights that include multiple colors together. Also, with this mod, you can craft vine garlands and letter bunting with whatever text you like. Before we move on to the rest of the mods, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can enjoy more content from Server.pro and never miss a new video. Also, if you're enjoying this video so far, hit that like button. Next up, we have the Bibliocraft mod. Bibliocraft is a storage and organizational mod as well as a decorative mod. It adds a number of useful blocks that are aesthetically pleasing and are used to display items and equipment. Most of these blocks allow quick and easy access to the items displayed on them, providing a useful way for using them as well as helping you free up some storage space. So not only do you have some cool new items to decorate the interior of your builds, but you also have a new way of organizing and storing your items much more nicely. Although this mod is mainly a storage and organizational mod, it does add in some pretty cool decorative items such as chairs, lamps, and much more. For the final mod of this video, we have the Placeable Items mod. This mod gives you the ability to place down almost any item in Minecraft as 3D models to decorate your builds. With this mod, you have a lot of freedom to unleash your creativity. You can use the Placeable Items mod to decorate anything from laboratories using potion bottles, to caves by placing down ores, and even a bakery by having shelves of bread and pie. There are so many ways to use this mod to better enhance the decor of your builds. All you need to do is have the item of your choice in hand and simply shift and right click on the area you'd like to have it be placed on. And that's pretty much it. You can place down all kinds of food, minerals, and more. You can also change the angle of an item. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to try out these mods for yourself and perhaps along with some friends, check out Server.pro using the link in the description down below. Until next time!